In this video, I'm going to show you how to register as a RIA money transfer agent in 2025. Becoming a RIA agent allows you to offer international money transfer services to your customers, enhancing your business offerings and increasing your revenue. Step 1. Visit the RIA agent registration page. Go to RIA's official website and navigate to the Become an Agent section. Here you'll find detailed information about the benefits and requirements of becoming a RIA agent. Step 2. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form with your personal and business details, including your name, contact information, business type, and location. Ensure all information is accurate to facilitate the approval process. Step 3. Submit required documentation. Prepare and submit necessary documents such as your business license, identification, and any other documents requested by RIA to verify your business legitimacy. Step 4. Await approval and training. After submitting your application and documents, RIA will review your information. If approved, you'll receive training on how to use RIA's systems and comply with their operational standards. Step 5. Start offering RIA services. Once trained, you can start offering RIA money transfer services to your customers, providing them with a reliable and efficient way to send money internationally. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.